Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to SAMNet. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is just getting opening. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 2021 skill approach, chapter 2, challenge yourself 2.4 SAMNet. We will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E-grade 100% marks. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignment? So we are just moving there. So in start, we have non-graded report. In graded report, we have question number 1 up to how many questions we have? 17, 18. We have 15 questions we have in today assignment. Then question number 16, 17 and 18 are non-graded one. Okay. So let me start today assignment step by step. Remember that our today assignment name is Excel 2021 Skills Approach Chapter 2 Challenge Yourself 2.4 SAMNet. Okay. So we are just moving toward solving this assignment step by step. Here is also the name of today's assignment. Excel 2021 Skill Approach Chapter 2 Challenge Yourself 2.4. Then here is the name Challenge Yourself 2.4. Then here these are the instructions to compatible with both Microsoft Windows and Mac operating system. So what we have to do, we are just moving toward the skills needed to complete this project. Okay, what type of skill we have so we can solve this project. Okay, so using undo redo skill, then merging cells and splitting merge cell, then applying a cell style, then we have adding shading with fill color, then applying bold, italic and underline, then cutting, copying and pasting cell content, then using paste option, then inserting and deleting cells, then using format painter, then we have to applying condition formatting with data table, data bars, color scale and icon set, then wrapping text in cell, then adding a borders. Okay, so all these skill will be covered in today project. Okay, so let me start today assignment. As we early saw in video that how many questions we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have 15 question graded and last 3 are non-graded one. Okay, so we have 15 question in graded part. So let me start today assignment. Steps to complete this project. Make the steps as checked when you complete them. Then open start file. This name the file will rename automatically to include your name. Then change project file name if directed to do by your professor. So first we have to open our solution file, or we call start file. It is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay, Then in next word, if a workbook open in protected view, yeah, that is open in protected view, and we have click on enable editing button. So question number 1 and question number 2 is done. In question number 1 we have to open our start file or Excel file, then a file will rename automatically, include our name. Then in part B, in question number 2, we have to open our Excel file. If it is in protected form, then we have to click on enable editing button in message bar top of our sheet, so we can modify that one. So question number 1 and 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Center and merge the title across cell E1 to E1. So first we have to select E1 to E1. Then merge center and merge. Okay. Then in part question number 4, we have to apply heading 1 style to merge a cell. Okay, now we have to apply there heading 1 style. So first we have to click on cell style, and there is heading 1 style. We have to apply that one. So question number 3 and question number 4 are done. Question number 3 and 4 are relative to each other. So that's why we have solved both questions in same step. In question number 3, we have to center and merge the title across cell E1 to E1. Then we have to apply heading 1 style to merge cell. So question number 3 and question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Merge and center the 4 section title across approaches cells. Okay, so we have to select what month available income. There is month available income, monthly expense, yeah, there is monthly expense. Then semester expense, this one. So we have to select everything there. Now what we have to do there, we have to merge and center. Simply click on merge and center. That will be done. Yes. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to make merge and center the 4 section title across the appreciate cells. And the 4 section titles are monthly income, available income, monthly expenses, and semester expenses. First we have select, then we have make that merge and center. So question number 5 is done. So now we are moving toward question number 6. What we have to do in question number 6, apply cell style to the section title as follows. So for monthly income cell, we have to apply their green ECENT 5 cell style. Where is monthly cell? This one. First we have to select this one. Then what style we have to apply? We have to apply green ECENT 5 cell style. There is green ECENT 5. Yes, this one. Then available income, we have to apply there orange ECENT 2. Then we have to apply monthly expense. There we have to apply gray ECENT 6. Then in semester expense, we have to apply ice blue ECENT 1. Okay. So step by step we will solve question number 6. Then same way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 15, step by step. So in graded part we have 15 questions. Out of 15 questions we have done first 7 questions. Mean half of assignment is done from our side in today's video. Remember that we have solved Excel 2021 skill approach chapter 2 challenge yourself 2.4 assignment. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Remember that we have solved almost half of assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. But remember that your result will be 100%. Whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%, and it's a biggest opportunity that fast you get the result of your assignment and you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from scammer and your grade will be grade 100% marks, and our price will be reasonable so you can easily afford that one. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. Till now we have solved almost of our assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.